Hello everyone and my all dear students. The last part of this novel 4.3 Around the World in 80 Days. It is written by Jules Verne. We discussed the chapter 34th, 35th, and today we have to here discuss the chapter 36th. As you know student, in the last two parts we discussed here the story of the Around the World in 80 days, and also we discussed some important characters of it like Phileas Fogg, Passepartout, Aouda and Detective Fix. Now we can say it is the turning point of this novel, because here we are going to see all the reality of the story. Means in the last part we saw Phileas Fogg thought that he had lost the wager because he and his team was late by 5 minutes to reach Reform Club, and that's why they considered they had lost the wager. And in the 35th part we discussed Phileas Fogg became very sad and he preferred to live alone in his home. He did not want to communicate with others, characters, even Passepartout and Aouda. But as we discussed there, that their relationship between Phileas Fogg and Aouda that are going to transfer into marriage. And this type of, we can say, the positive thing in this chapter 35th we have discussed here. Now students, see here. Here also we going to see the plot of this chapter, the important characters of the chapter, and some story of it. As you know that the important characters in this chapter that are John Sullivan, Samuel Valentin, Andrew Stott, Gautier Ralph, and Thomas Flanagan. Now perhaps all these characters are new for us, because as we discussed in the last part, the Phileas Fogg or Passepartout, Aouda or Detective Fix. Students, you should know that these all, they are 5 friends, and they played very important role when while continuing, or when they decided to bet about the Around the World in 80 days. Means the person who would cover or navigate whole earth in 80 days, that person would have got 20,000 pounds. Okay, now that's why these are the 5 friends that they decided this one. Means all this amount of 20,000 they were going to give for the winner. And the bet, who had accepted the challenge, that was, as we know, Phileas Fogg and his team Passepartout. Now here what happens, now as you know the student, today with this chapters day, we can see the time is 21st December. Means the last day of the 80 days. 18th day we can say, 21st December. And that's why all these friends, they came together where in Reform Club. And as we know that the winner means Phileas Fogg, he had to reach there in which time? 8:45 p.m. That was the given destination to Phileas Fogg. Means after navigating the whole world, he had to reach when 8:45 p.m. in the Reform Club. Then he will be considered as the winner of that wager or the bet. Bet means prize. So this is the today's date. This is chapters. The date that all the time is going on. I'm thinking about that particular 21st December. Now here, what happens? The real bank robber, James Grant, he was caught earlier 3 days of the 18th day. Means 26th day, he was caught by the police. But as we know that Detective Fix already he had caused the disturbance in the journey of Phileas Fogg, and afterwards, as we discussed that all these things. Now here in the newspaper everywhere today, means on which days? 21st December. What was the discussion was there? The discussion was about in the newspaper was about the wager, means who will win the wager, means Phileas Fogg or that 5 friends that was going to decide on the 21st December. That's why all these came together. Now these 5 friends, they thought that it was impossible to Phileas Fogg to win the bet or win the wager that of the navigating the whole world in 80 days. They thought it was impossible. So most of the time they will find anxiety. Even they sent telegrams to America, Asia, but they couldn't get anything reply from that. Even ignorant police about Fix flight, means the police from the England, they were totally ignorant about the flight of the Fix, all these things, and all these peoples or the crowd, we can say, gathered there in order to know the winner of the bet. Now bet it increased in number and values. Now everyone, people who are gathered there, they were only thinking about the winner of that bet. Now here say, now where is the setting here? Reform Club. We can say Reform Club is the central point of the plot, because all these activities, most of the activities of the current chapter or of the whole novel, that are centered where near to the in Reform Club or near to the Reform Club. What happened there? Crowd gathered there. As I discussed here, why they gathered there? Everywhere, what? Disputes, discussion and financial transactions, because some were on the side of the Phileas Fogg, some were on the side of that 5 friends that Phileas Fogg will not win the bet. Some said that Phileas Fogg will win the bet. So this type of dispute or we can say discussions and financial transactions were there. So excitement rules there. Now you see that the time is important here in the whole novel, even since now what's the time now? 8:20 p.m. At that time Andrews said now it was impossible to Phileas Fogg to reach in whatever time now it requires 25 minutes only remain there to reach there, where how many to 8:45. So he said that the last train from the Liverpool to England, which was at 7:23, and this train already departed. So there were no any chance to Phileas Fogg to reach England in particular time. Okay, in particular time there. So Andrew thought that Phileas Fogg had lost the wager, but some friends of him or of them, they thought that the Phileas Fogg, who was punctual and he never came too early or too late, whenever they had the experience of him. So he will come not too early or too late. On the times he will come. So all they were looking at the time. Now see, 8:42, 8:43, 8:44, they did not find the appearance of the Phileas Fogg near to the Reform Club. So all the crowds, they were gathered there. What they said, that totally the 5 friends, they will win the bet. But what actually happens when 8:44 minutes and 55 seconds, what happens? They observed there the crowd on the road, and there in the crowd, in the midst of the crowd, they found there was Phileas Fogg. And what Phileas Fogg said there? Here I am, gentlemen. Means, as you know that when he reached there, 8:44 minutes and 57 seconds. It means that he has won the wager or bet of reaching 8:45 after navigating the world in 80 days. Okay, that is the story of the chapter 36. Okay, now I tell you this story in Marathi also in order to understand. आपण ज्यावेळेस चॅप्टर 34 आणि 35 पाहिला, त्यामध्ये पाहिलं की 34 चॅप्टरमध्ये फिलियस फॉगला अरेस्ट होती डिटेक्टिव्ह फिक्सकडून, आणि त्याच्यामुळे तो 80 दिवसामध्ये रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्ये पोहोचण्यात त्याला वेळ होतो, आणि तो स्वतःला समजतो की आता आपण पैश हरलेलो आहोत. त्याच्याबरोबर आपण इतर कॅरेक्टरही बघितली, पासपार्टू, आवडा, डिटेक्टिव्ह फिक्स वगैरे. त्यानंतर चॅप्टर 35 मध्ये आपण काय बघितलं की फिलियस फॉग खूपच दुःखी झाला होता, कारण तो पैश हरला होता असं त्याला वाटत होतं, आणि त्याच्याबरोबर इतर कॅरेक्टर पासपार्टू किंवा आवडा हे सुद्धाही खूप सॅड किंवा दुःखी झालेले होते. आणि परंतु त्या चॅप्टरमध्ये आपल्याला एक लक्षात आलं की फिलियस फॉग आणि आवडा हे त्यांचं मॅरेज होणार होतं किंवा त्यासाठी त्यांची तयारी चालली होती. हा प्लस पॉईंट होता. म्हणजे फिलियस फॉगने टोटल स्वतः एका रूममध्ये राहिला, तो कधी बाहेर पडला नाही, कारण त्याच्या मनामध्ये होतं की आपण पैज हरलेलो आहोत. आता जो चॅप्टर 36 जो आहे, 36 नंबरचा चॅप्टर आहे, यामध्ये काय पाहिलं आपण की याचं सेटिंग पूर्णपणे वेगळं आहे. याचं सेटिंग कुठे आहे तर लंडनमध्ये आहे, की जिथं रिफॉर्म क्लबच्या ठिकाणी सर्व कॅरेक्टर्स हे एकत्र आलेले आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण पाहिलं की हे 5 फ्रेंड्स आहेत, ते सगळे 5 फ्रेंड्स यांनीच पैज लावलेली होती की जो कोणी म्हणजे फिलियस फॉग जर पृथ्वीला पूर्ण प्रदक्षिणा घालून जर 80 दिवसामध्ये परत आला तर त्याला 20,000 पाउंड्स हे बेट म्हणजे वेजर म्हणून दिले जाते. त्यामुळे सर्व कॅरेक्टर हे रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्ये कोणत्या दिवशी जमा झाले आहेत तर एकत्र आलेले आहेत तर 21 डिसेंबरला, कारण हे त्यांचा 18th डे होता. 80 डेज होता दॅट वे, नॉट 18. सो सर्व न्यूजपेपरमध्ये हाच वेजरविषयी, ह्या पैजविषयी डिस्कशन चालू आहे. ह्या 5ही मित्रांनी फिलियस फॉग कुठल्या देशामध्ये आहे ह्याविषयी टेलिग्राम वगैरे सेंड केले होते. त्यांना माहिती कोणतीही मिळाली नव्हती. याचा अर्थ असा त्यांना वाटत होता की आता आपण पैसे पूर्णपणे जिंकणार, कारण हे फिलियस फॉगला शक्य नाही की 80 दिवसामध्ये परत पुन्हा रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्ये येणं. आता पुन्हा सेटिंग कुठं पर्टिक्युलर सेटिंग आलेलं आहे रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्ये, की जिथं पैसे लागले तिथं सर्व लोक एकत्र आलेले आहेत. त्यांचं डिस्कशन चाललेलं आहे की फिलियस फॉग पोचणार नाही वगैरे वगैरे सगळं डिस्कशन चालू होतं. वेगवेगळे डिस्प्यूट्स पण होते, फायनान्शियल ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स पण त्या बाबतीत घडत होते. जसजशी वेळ जवळ आली 8:20 PM ला अँड्र्यू म्हटला की आता फिलियस फॉग पोचू शकत नाही, कारण लिव्हरपूलवरून येणारी जी शेवटची ट्रेन होती ती 7:23 PM ला होती. तीही ट्रेन आलेली आहे. त्या ट्रेनमधून सुद्धा फिलियस फॉग आलेला नाही. याचा अर्थ आता असा होणार आहे की आपण ती पैज जिंकणार आहोत, आणि ते फिलियस फॉगला शक्य नाही आहे. म्हणजे प्रत्येक जसा मिनिट जवळ येईल तसतसं त्यांची जी क्युरियासिटी होती ती वाढत होती. परंतु थॉमसच्या मते फिलियस फॉग हा पर्टिक्युलर होता, पंक्च्युअल होता, की तो कधी पैजच्या वेळेस अगोदर किंवा खूप हुशार येणार नाही, तर बरोबर त्याच वेळी तो हजर राहायचा. की या ठिकाणी तसंच घडलं. ज्यावेळेस 8:42, 8:43, 8:44 झाले तरी फिलियस फॉक रिफॉर्म क्लबच्या जवळ कुठेही दिसला नाही. परंतु ज्यावेळेस 8:44 झाले त्यावेळेस रस्त्यावरती एक लाऊड क्राय म्हणजे त्या क्राऊडमधून आवाज आला की हिअर आय एम जेंटलमॅन. आणि हे जे वर्ड्स होते ते कुणाचे होते? फिलियस फॉकचे होते. म्हणजे तो कधी पोहोचला रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्ये? 8:44 आणि 57 सेकंदला बरोबर तो रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्ये आला आणि त्या ठिकाणी तो डेफिनेटली काय केलेलं आहे? पैज जिंकलेला आहे. पैज कोणती होती? की पूर्ण जगाला पृथ्वीला प्रदक्षिणा घालून 80 दिवसामध्ये पुन्हा रिफॉर्म क्लबमध्येच यायचं. आणि ती टाईम होतं 8:45 आणि तो पोचला होता 8:44 आणि 57 सेकंद. So students, here we have discussed the chapter 36. Next chapter, last chapter we are going to see the chapter 37. तुमच्या मनामध्ये अजून एक शंका आली असेल की लास्ट चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण असं म्हटलेलं आहे की फिलियस फॉक हा पैज मांडलेला होता आणि ह्या चॅप्टरमध्ये आपल्याला लक्षात येतं की फिलियस फॉक हा जी वेजर आहे किंवा बेट आहे तो जिंकलेला आहे. हे कन्फ्युजन का झालेलं आहे? दॅट कन्फ्युजन्स आन्सर्स ऑल दॅट यू विल गेट इन द चॅप्टर 37. So how he was able to win that bet. Okay, so student, once again see that all the points that I have written here, and next chapters we are going to see the next chapter. Thank you.